Okay, so now we'll move to the calculation, how to calculate median for the frequency distribution. So the formula to calculate median for the frequency distribution is this. Now computation means calculation of median for frequency distribution. Median is equals to, so this is the formula to calculate median. Okay. So L is what? Lower limit or lower class of the median class. Now in the frequency distribution, first of all you need to find the median class. Okay. In the frequency distribution, if we'll see the how to calculate median class. So just remember, whenever there is the question in exam, or if in the example also, if you want to calculate median for frequency distribution, first thing you need to calculate the median class. Okay, once you find the median class, according to the median class you will get the lower limit, you will get the frequency of the median class and the cumulative frequency. Okay, so just remember, median class is important to find the median for frequency distribution. So L plus n upon 2 minus CF. CF is what? Cumulative frequency less than cumulative frequency, divided by F into H. Okay, so now explanation of this formula is L is equals to, okay, lower limit or the lower class of median class. N stands for total frequency. CF means the less than, CF is less than cumulative frequency of the class just preceding to the median class. Okay, so in this formula also the word median class is important, so you need to calculate median class first. So cumulative frequency, CF is what? Less than cumulative frequency of just preceding to median class. F, this F is frequency of median class, and H, okay, H is inside, means you are going to solve this bracket. Whatever answer you get after solving the bracket, you have to multiply by height, that is class width, and then add with the lower number. In example you will understand. So H is what? Class width. Okay, class width means the height of the class. So this is the formula to calculate median for frequency distribution. L plus n upon 2 minus CF, that is cumulative frequency, divided by F frequency and multiply by H. Okay, now we'll see the example to calculate median for frequency distribution. So this is the class of a particular students of frequency distribution, and this is the frequency. Okay, marks, that marks are 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 and 80 to 90. Now observe this frequency distribution. The classes in this frequency distribution are continuous. Okay, like 20 to 30, immediately the next class, the number is the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the second class is same, like 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60 and so on. If these classes are not continuous, suppose like 20 to 29, 30 to 39, so if the classes are given in this way, okay, not continuous, so you need to find a class boundary. That means you need to make the classes continuous. Like how? You will reduce 0.5 from the lower limit and you will add 0.5 in the upper limit. Like suppose in the lower limit 20 is there, so 19.5, and I will add 0.5 in the upper limit, that is 29.5. For the second class I will reduce from 30.5, that will be 29.5, and I will add 30.5 in 30 in the upper limit, that is 39.5. okay, so see the classes becomes continuous. Okay, so it is very important, first observe the classes. If the classes are continuous, no need to find a class boundary. If the classes are not continuous, you need to find the class boundary. Okay, this is very important. So the classes are continuous. Now prepare this table. Okay, prepare the table and observe, then whatever answer, then find the cumulative frequency, and then means n is what? The total frequency, which we have to divide by 2. then by n upon 2 we'll find the class, median class, that is the observation, and then we'll apply the formula and find the median for the frequency distribution. Okay, so this is the frequency distribution, and in this frequency distribution the classes are continuous. So the solution is, prepare the 3 columns. First will be the marks, second will be F is what? The frequency. Second column will be cumulative frequency, that is less than cumulative frequency. Okay, this is compulsory to prepare 3 column for calculation of median. Now classes and frequency you will get from the example itself. Okay, and next for the third column we have to find the cumulative frequency. So now write down or note down all the marks in the marks column and note down all the frequency in the frequency column. So first is 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 and 80 to 90. Okay. Now next note down all the frequency. Okay. Now total, write the total here. Make the total. See frequency, n is what? N is what? Total of frequency. Make the total. So 5 plus 15 plus 25 plus 20 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10. You get the total of 90. Okay. So total. So n is what? Total frequency. So total of this column, that is 5 plus 15 plus 25 plus 20 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10, you get 90. Okay. So once whatever we have got, n is what? 20. Note down. N is n is 90. Okay. Now find less than cumulative frequency. Now less than cumulative frequency, already in my frequency distribution lecture I have explained how to calculate less than cumulative frequency and more than cumulative frequency. Watch that video, the link you will find in the description box. So now to calculate, to find less than cumulative frequency, so first class frequency will be as it is. Okay, then add 5 plus 15, means the next class frequency you will add, that is 5 plus 15, you get 20, then 20 plus diagonally you are going to add. Okay, plus 25 you get 45. So 45 plus 20 you get 65. 65 plus 7 you get 72. 72 plus 8 you get 80, and 80 plus 10 you get 90. Okay, 80 plus 10, 90. Now see, for less than cumulative frequency the total you have got 90, and same for the frequency also the total is 90. If this both the number does not match, that means some mistake you have did over here. If this total match, that means your sum will be correct. Okay, if you do any mistake in this calculation, and if the total number does not match with the total frequency and with the total of cumulative frequency, that means your sum will be wrong. So make sure the totals should come same. Okay, so 90 and 90, and we have got 90. Clear? Now, so n we have got 90. Now write down to find n. Okay, we have to find the median class. Okay, median class, how we are going to find? N upon 2. N upon 2. So n is what? We have got 90. Okay, n we have got 90. 90 divided by 2, we get 45. That means 45 observation. Okay, so now 45 observation in this cumulative frequency. Find where is 45. Okay, now 45 is here, and just 45 observation, just 45 observation means just the greater than the 45. Which is the next observation? That observation will be your median class. Okay, so you n upon 2, 90 upon 2, we got 45 as the observation, and 45. Okay, just the class which is greater than the 45 will be the median class, means the next class after 45. Immediately which class, means after 45 the greater number is which number? 65 is the greater number. So 65, this class, this whole class will be the median class. Okay, 50 to 60, the frequency 20, and 65, this will be the median class. Suppose if the observation I have got 20, okay, if I got the observation 20, which will be my median class? The class which is greater than 20. So which class is greater than 20? 45. If suppose if the observation, okay, if I get the observation 60, okay, if the observation here I get 60, so in this 60 you don't know where is 60, but 65 is there. Okay, so the class which is greater than 60 will be the median class. Okay, so like that you have to find the median class. Now we have got the median class, that is 50 to 60, and frequency is 20, and the median and the total of cumulative frequency is 65. Okay, so now next, as per the formula, write down the write the formula here. As per the formula, whatever is required as per the formula, note down first. Now n we have got, that is 45. Okay, n we have got 45. N upon 2 we have got as 45. Okay, now L is what? L is equals to what? Lower class of the median class. Lower class of the median class means lower limit of the median class. Now as I said that this class 50 to 60 is a median class. So which is lower limit in 50 to 60? 50 is the lower limit. Okay, so we have got lower limit. Next, n is what? N, already we got that total of frequency, n upon 2. Okay, n upon 2 is what? 45. Okay, now CF is what? Cumulative frequency. Now cumulative frequency, what they have given the explanation in the formula. CF means cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class. Preceding to the median class means the upper class, okay, upper number which is above the median class. So above median class, which number is there? 45. So 45 will be cumulative frequency. Okay, 45 is cumulative frequency. Next, F is what? F is what here? F is what? F means frequency of median class. So this is the median class. What is the frequency of median class? 20. So 20 is the frequency. Next we have to find H. H is what? Class width, means the height of this class. 10 to 60 to 70, whatever. Okay, what is the difference between 20 to 30? The number 10 is there. Okay, to find class width, minus upper limit, that is 30, minus lower limit 20, we get 10. Okay, so 10 is height. Now put all these values as per the formula and find cumulative, find median. Okay, now write down the formula. Formula L plus n upon 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay, now we have noted down all the values here. So L is what? Now put the values as per the formula. L is 50 plus n upon 2 is what? 45. 45 minus CF is what? 45. F is what? 20. Bracket close. H is what? 10. Okay, so is equals to 50 plus 45 minus 45, 0 upon 20 multiply by 10. Okay, is equals to 50 plus 20 divided by 0 divided by 20, we get 0 into 10. Okay, is equals to 50 plus 0 into 10, 0 we get. whatever you multiply or whatever you divide by 0, the answer you will get 0. So 50 is equals to answer 0, 50 plus 0, 50. So 50 is median. Okay, so 50 is median. So in this way, I hope you have understood how to calculate median for frequency distribution.